Directions for questions 11 to 14. 7 persons N, Q, R, S, T, U and W. That is N, Q, R, S, T, U and W are the only people present at a party. They form two or more distinct conversational groups during the party. Each group should contain at least 2 members but not more than 4 members. So the number of people can be 2, 3 or 4 in a conversational group. Can be 2, 3 or 4. At least 2 but not more than 4. So if you look at the conversational groups, one type will be 4 and 3. So one group has 4 members and the other group has 3 members. One more type of conversational groups are possible, that is 2, 2 and 3. So it can be 4 and 3 or 2, 2 and 3. So these are the only types of groups that can be formed. At any time during the party, each person should be a member of exactly one of the conversational groups. The following conditions should be satisfied. N can never be in the same conversational group as S. So N and S are together, that is not possible. T must be in a conversational group that includes either S or W, but T cannot be in a conversational group with both S and W. So it can be TS or TW, but TS and W, that is not possible. Okay. And finally, W must be in a conversational group that consists of exactly 3 people. So it should be W followed by 2 more people. So W cannot be in a group that has 4 members or 2 members. This group should have exactly 3 members. So we have got all the conditions. Let's start now. Which of the following lists 3 valid conversational groups? Now one condition is that both N and S cannot be in the same group. So here you have N and S, that is not allowed. Here it is okay, here okay, here okay, here also it is okay. Now let us look at the other conditions. It can be TS or TW, but TSW is not possible. So NT, that is not allowed. It has to be either TS or TW. Here TW is there, so that is okay. T, Q and R, that is not allowed. TS or TW. R and T is also not allowed. So the only possible valid group is option C. R, T and W are members of 3 different conversational groups. Then S must be in a group that includes which person? So R, T and W, they are all in different conversational groups. Now we know that T should be either paired up with W or with S. Now S cannot be here or here, then T will not be paired up with S or W. So S compulsorily has to be with T, so that T is paired with S. So S must be in a group that includes whom? That will be T. So option C, T is the right answer. If a group of 3 people and a group of 4 people have formed and W is in the same conversational group as U, which of the following must be in the group with W and U? So 2 groups have been formed and one group consists of 3 people and the other group consists of 4 people. Now W is in the same conversational group as U. Now we know that W should be in a group which has exactly 3 members. So W should be here and W and U are in the same group. So U should be here. Now we know that N and S cannot be in the same group. N and S should be in different groups. So if S is here, N should be here. Similarly, if N is here, S should be here. Now if S is here, you have W and S here. Now T should be paired up with either S or W. So S cannot be here. If S is here, then T will neither be paired with W nor with S. So S cannot be here. So S has to be here and N and S should be in different groups. Since S is here, N should be here. So this group will be W, U and N. So which of the following must be in the group with W and U? That will be N. So option A, N is the right answer. If one of the conversational groups consists only of Q, R and W. So one group consists of Q, R and W, and this group is completely finalized, then N must be a part of a group of what type? Now W should be in a group of 3 people and this group is fully finalized. Now we'll find out the other groups. N and S, both of them cannot be in the same group. So the only way out is that there should be 2 more groups, each with 2 people. So in one group you will have N and in the other group you will have S. We cannot have another group of 4 members. Then both N and S will be in the same group, that is not allowed. So in one group there should be N and in the other group there should be S. Now T should be paired up with either S or W. Now this group is fully filled, so we cannot have T again here. So T cannot be paired with W, which means that T should be paired with S. So T should be in this group. Now the only person left is U. So this group can be filled with U. Now the question is, N must be a part of a group of what type? So option B is right. N should be a group of exactly 2 persons, 2 people whose other member is U. That must be true. Hence option B is the right answer.